What are chronicle plays? Chronicle plays were dramatic works inspired by historical events, often drawn from sources like Raphael Holinshed's Chronicles. They became wildly popular in the late 16th century, right after England defeated the Spanish Armada in 1588. The victory fueled a wave of patriotism, and people couldn't get enough of plays that celebrated English history. While early chronicle plays focused on big, flashy scenes, playwrights like Christopher Marlowe and William Shakespeare took things to the next level. Marlowe's Edward II, 1592, was groundbreaking because it turned raw historical material into a cohesive drama centered on characters and their personal struggles. Instead of just showing battles, Marlowe explored the human side of history, the betrayals, ambitions, and emotions that drove events. Shakespeare took this even further with his series of chronicle plays covering the succession of English kings from Richard II to Henry VIII. Plays like Richard II, Henry IV, and Henry V aren't just retellings of history, they are masterpieces of storytelling. Shakespeare wove political intrigue, moral dilemmas, and forgettable characters like Falstaff and Prince Hal into the fabric of history itself. His plays weren't just patriotic, they were reflections on power, leadership, and humanity. The popularity of chronicle plays wasn't just about entertainment, it was also about pride. Audiences loved seeing their heroes on stage, fighting battles and shaping the destiny of the nation. But beyond patriotism, chronicle plays also offered a chance to reflect on the present through the lens of the past. By exploring the successes and failures of historical figures, playwrights subtly commented on the politics and society of their own time. Are chronicle plays the same as history plays? Not exactly. While chronicle plays specifically refer to dramas based on English history, history plays can include any drama rooted in historical events, whether set in ancient Rome, Renaissance Europe, or even modern times. Chronicle plays remind us how history shapes our understanding of the world and ourselves. They show us that the past isn't just a collection of dates and facts, it's full of lessons, conflicts, and stories that resonate across centuries.